Donald Trump's criminal defense lawyers have now contradicted themselves and are telling federal judge Tanya Chutkan that they now do want video cameras allowed in the courtroom in Washington, D.C., in the criminal trial of Donald Trump for crimes leading up to and on January 6th. In a motion supporting cameras in the courtroom, which has never happened before in a federal courtroom, the Trump lawyers used Trump campaign rhetoric accusing the prosecution of wanting, quote, to proceed in secret. That would mean the Trump lawyers' definition of every trial in American history prior to the invention of motion picture cameras was proceeding in secret. Special Prosecutor Jack Smith opposes cameras in the courtroom, as has every federal prosecutor in history before him. In his motion responding to the Trump lawyers, Jack Smith said that Donald Trump is trying to, quote, turn his trial into a media event. The partial gag order on defendant Trump in that case is temporarily not in effect while the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit considers Donald Trump's appeal of that gag order. This weekend, knowing that the gag order was not in effect, Donald Trump once again attacked Jack Smith and Jack Smith's family at a campaign rally in Claremont, New Hampshire. While he was at it, in a social media post, Donald Trump lumped Andrew Weissmann in with Jack Smith and one of his attacks. Nothing in the gag order prevents Donald Trump from attacking Andrew Weissmann, but the gag order does prevent Donald Trump from attacking prosecutors in the case or their families.